As you know, ANSYS is a powerful engineering simulation that analyzes the behavior of various physical phenomena and systems before manufacturing or testing them in a real world. However, sometimes during a static analysis, when importing geometry into ANSYS, software identifies your body as a surface. In such case, the surface shows you an error to provide the thickness value for the identified surface. And in this video, I will guide you through the process of importing your geometry from both SolidWorks and CATIA and how you can fix this problem. Okay, first of all, I want to show you how you can recognize this problem. Actually, when you import the geometry, actually you can see the question mark beside the geometry. And when you choose your file, actually you can see that the thickness actually is highlighted with a yellow color. And another way is that you search the section plane. And when you section your body, you can obviously see that your body is recognized as a surface. CATIA and SolidWorks are both computer-aided design software, and they have the same functions and developed by the same parent company. However, they are different. For example, SolidWorks is known for user-friendly, and CATIA is used for more complex system. When you want to save your file in SolidWorks, actually you save your file as a SLD part. And when you SLD part format, and when you want to save your file in CATIA, you save your file normally in CAT part format. And we want to try that which one of them is functioning in ANSYS. Okay, we want to open our geometry or a space claim in ANSYS, and when we open our geometry or a space claim, we drag we want to try firstly SolidWorks, and we drag a SolidWorks part into ANSYS. And you know that ANSYS show the error that you can't bring your file directly from SolidWorks into ANSYS. And we wanna try the CATIA part. So you can see that you import your body directly from CATIA, and it seems that you wouldn't face with any problem in ANSYS. We share this row in a static structural, and we open model and we section this model, and you can see that this file is imported as a body, not surface. Okay, when we open it, we section this model, and as you see, is identified as a body, not surface. So when you import your file from CATIA and as a CAT part directly, it seems that you don't have any problem in ANSYS. However, you can import your file in ANSYS to another way. you can save your file as a step, or you can save your file as a IGS. You can save into the 2D type in both CATIA and SolidWorks. So you can save your file in here as a IGS and step, and you can save your file in CATIA as a IGS and step. And we would compare to this format in ANSYS. So I close the SolidWorks, and I save both of my file in CATIA. We save it as a IGS, and another time we save it as a step. So now we open the geometry. First of all, we import our file as a IGS. Okay, you can see obviously that it's imported as a surface. It's not imported as a body because you can see inside of this in the vector. And so when you import your file as a IGS, is recognized as a surface, maybe. But when you import your file as a step format, you can see that you wouldn't face with any problem, and it recognizes it recognizes this file as a body. And at the end, don't forget to like my video, and if you would like this type of content, subscribe my YouTube channel.